Most luxury cars in 2026 look incredible on the surface. Big screens, fancy lighting, impressive horsepower numbers. But here's what they don't show you in the showroom. 6 months later, the warning lights start showing up. A year later, you're hit with a $2,000 repair bill. And by year 3, you start questioning if the car was even worth it in the first place. Because the truth is, modern luxury cars are getting more complex, but not always more reliable. And that's where Lexus does something completely different. They don't just build cars that feel good on day one. They build cars that still feel good after 100,000 miles. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 Lexus models I would personally buy in 2026. Not just based on features, but based on real ownership experience, long-term cost, and peace of mind. And stick around, because number 1 is not just reliable. It might be one of the toughest SUVs you can buy today. Car number 5. Lexus ES350H 2026. Starting at number 5 is the master of quiet confidence, the redesigned 2026 Lexus ES350. For years, the ES has been the go-to for professionals who want a stress-free luxury experience. It's all about taking the stress out of the daily commute with a silent cabin and a silky smooth ride. For 2026, it gets a total overhaul, built on a new, longer platform, a more dynamic look, and a modern interior with a new 14-inch touchscreen. But the biggest news is under the hood. For the first time, the hybrid is available with all-wheel drive, a huge win for buyers in snowy climates. This new hybrid system puts out 243 horsepower, offering the perfect blend of effortless acceleration and efficiency. This is for the smart professional who values long-term ownership costs just as much as comfort. It's not the sportiest car here, but it's arguably the most sensible and serene. Car number 4. Lexus IS350 2026. At number 4, we have the enthusiast's choice, the Lexus IS350. This car solves a very specific problem, the desire for a true, rear-wheel drive sports sedan experience, without the anxiety of constant German repair bills. While its European rivals have moved to complex turbocharged 4-cylinders, the 2026 IS350 proudly continues with a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter 5.6. This engine is the heart of its reliability, delivering a smooth 311 horsepower. There's a reason Lexus was named the top brand overall in the 2026 J.D. Power U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, and the IS is a prime example of that quality. For 2026, the IS gets meaningful updates where it counts, with a refreshed exterior and a heavily revised interior featuring a new 12.3-inch touchscreen. The steering and suspension have also been retuned for a more responsive feel. The IS350 is for the driver who wants to feel a connection with the road, not with their mechanic. It's performance without the penalty. Car number 3. 2026 Lexus NX350H. Our number 3 pick is arguably the most relevant Lexus for most buyers in 2026, the NX350H Hybrid. This compact SUV solves the modern urban driver's dilemma, blending space, efficiency, luxury, and all-weather capability. The secret to its rock-solid reliability is that it's built on the same global architecture as the Toyota RAV4. The NX350H uses a version of the RAV4 hybrid's powertrain, delivering 240 horsepower and an impressive 39 miles per gallon combined with all-wheel drive, outstanding for a luxury crossover. While it costs more than its Toyota cousin, the long-term fuel savings and low ownership costs make it a fantastic value. It's the perfect vehicle for a young couple or a small family who wants the versatility of an SUV without the typical penalty at the pump. It's luxurious enough for a night out, but practical and efficient for the daily grind. All right, we are over halfway through my personally recommended list for 2026. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most reliable Lexus of all time? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you're finding this list helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It tells me you want more honest, no-nonsense car advice. Now, on to the top 2. Car number 2, 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid. Coming in at number 2 is the vehicle that essentially created the luxury crossover segment, the Lexus RX Hybrid. The RX serves the need for uncompromising comfort and utility for the whole family. It's the benchmark for a reason. It's impeccably built, silent on the highway, and its reliability consistently ranks at the top of its class, earning a great quality and reliability score of 82 out of 100 from J.D. Power for the 2026 model. The lineup is diverse. The standard RX 350H offers 246 horsepower and an excellent 36 miles per gallon combined. If you want more power, the RX 500HF Sport Performance steps it up to a potent 366 horsepower. And for those ready for electrification, the RX 450H Plus plug-in hybrid offers an impressive 38 miles of pure electric range. The RX is for the established household that needs one vehicle to do everything perfectly. It is the ultimate road trip machine and a safe, dependable hauler. The RX remains the undisputed champion of the mid-size luxury SUV. Car number 1, 2026 Lexus GX550. And now, for the number 1 Lexus I would buy in 2026. This is the one I would trust to take my family anywhere, through any conditions, and get us back safely every single time. It is the current generation Lexus GX550. The GX solves the ultimate reliability problem by being engineered to be nearly indestructible. While nearly every other SUV in its class has moved to a car-based unibody platform, the GX proudly remains a true body-on-frame SUV. This gives it a feeling of solidity that nothing else can match. The 2026 GX550 is powered by a modern 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 that makes 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Not only is this engine more powerful than the old V8, but it allows for a towing capacity of over 9,000 pounds. Despite its rugged foundation, the GX is pure Lexus inside, with a quiet cabin and a standard 14-inch touchscreen. Sure, the ride is a little firmer than an RX, and it's no fuel sipper, but that's the trade-off for its incredible capability. The GX is for the buyer who wants the ultimate do-everything, go-anywhere vehicle that feels like it was carved from a single block of granite. It is an investment in absolute, uncompromising durability. So, there you have it. The top 5 Lexus cars I would put my own money on in 2026. We started with the quiet and efficient ES350H, the ultimate stress-free commuter. Then came the IS350, the driver's car with a rock-solid heart. We moved to the brilliantly balanced NX350H, the smart choice for the modern urban jungle. Next was the benchmark itself, the RX Hybrid, which does everything a family needs with absolute grace. And finally, my number 1 pick, the indestructible GX550, a vehicle built to outlast everything else on the road. Each of these cars proves you don't have to choose between luxury and long-term dependability. Lexus continues to show the entire industry that reliability is the ultimate luxury feature. Now, my final question for you. Which of these 5 models fits your life best? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.